Welcome to this technical guide on the Nintendo 3DS XL. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Nintendo 3DS XL won't power on, you're not alone. This issue can happen due to several reasons, such as a faulty power switch or battery failure. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To begin, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement power switch. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging any components. First, let's open the device safely. Start by turning your Nintendo 3DS XL off completely. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the casing, starting from the back. Be careful not to force it, as you could damage the clips holding it together. Once the casing is open, you will need to locate the power switch. It is typically situated near the battery compartment. Inspect it closely. If it seems stuck or damaged, that's likely your culprit. To extract the power switch, carefully disconnect any attached cables. Make sure to note where they go for reassembly later. Next, remove the screws holding the power switch in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are removed, gently lift out the old power switch. Take your new power switch and place it in the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws securely, but don't over-tighten them. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are firmly in place. Now, it's time to close the device. Align the casing carefully and press it back together until you hear the clips snap into place. Before you power it on, take a moment to check that everything is secure and there are no loose parts. Once you're ready, switch on your Nintendo 3DS XL and see if it powers up. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid using your device while it's charging and be mindful of any physical damage. Regularly check the condition of your power switch and battery, as early intervention can save you time and money in the long run. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.